Oh, Lord.
Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in and out. One more in and out.
Oh, fuck. Shit. Oh, damn, baby, broke my neck. Oh, shit. Shit. What else I gotta do? Shit. Baby, I feel dead.
Nice and loose.
So you probably to get me killed.
See, that was a nice surprise, right?
Oh, shit. Excuse my language, shit. Oh, damn. What do I do now?
Now have a seat.
Just relax.
Come on now. Face down like this.
Man, you know karate? Shit. You a troublemaker too. He broke my damn neck, Yana.
All right. Now move around, stand up, let's see how you're feeling.
Time to go?
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, man.
He even stand better.
How you feeling?
I feel good. I came back to life. That man killed me and brought me back to life. God, that felt good.
Good.
Yeah, it didn't feel good in the process. It feels good now. Thank you, sir.
Awesome.
Now you want to give him a hug.
I got a hug.